try to make a painting for less than $5. Acrylic pouring does not have to cost a fortune. And so I went to Walmart and just picked up some craft paints. These were each 50 cents. I got magenta, turquoise, purple, and white. And then I also got a pack of these canvas panels. It was about $1 for this. And then I just grabbed some stuff around my house. A trash bag so the paint doesn't get on my table, some knives from takeout for mixing, and we had these little Dixie cups that I'm going to use for mixing the paint in, but you could use a leftover yogurt container or even just a regular cup and wash it. And I think I might also use this to blow the paint out, and so this is just a standard hairdryer that I have. So I'm going to bring you down to my workspace and let's see what we can make. Really fun experiment, and if you tried this and enjoyed it and you want to continue doing some fluid art, I will say that you will get even better results if you purchase some art materials. So check out my video on 5 top places where I like to purchase art supplies for very reasonable costs. Hi, I'm Anna and this is Acrylic Pouring Academy. In this series, I am bringing to you quick videos that answer all of your acrylic pouring questions. So if that interests you, consider subscribing for lots more mini lessons on everything acrylic pouring. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.